Let us try 72. So 1 multiplied with 72 is 72. Then 2. So I take 72 and I divide it by 2, and that answer is 36. Then I test 3. So I take 72 and I divide it by 3, and that answer is 24. Then 4. 72 divided by 4 is 18. Then 5. There's no value that I can multiply with 5 to get to 72. Or if I say 72 divided by 5, I know that 5 doesn't go into 72. Then let's try 6. So 6 multiplied by 12. Or I can say 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. I try 7, and there's no value of 7 that will work. And then 8. So 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. And then I can stop because there are no more values between 8 and 9 that I can test. So the factors of 72 would be all of these values except for 5 and 7. So the factors of 72 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. And that's how we find the factors of a number.